Hi there and welcome to another unboxing here at Haltech. This time it's the long awaited and heavily requested return of the GM Delco plugin in Nexus form. This is a direct plug-in engine management system which mounts in the factory ECU position with no wiring modifications required. Simply plug it in, run through the setup wizard, and you are ready to go. But first, let's make sure it's compatible with your vehicle make and model. The Nexus plugin supports a wide variety of Australian delivered Holden Commodores, including all VN and VP models, which were fitted with a V6 or a V8 and a manual or an automatic transmission. The manual VR V6 and manual VR and VS V8s, with the exception of the Series 3 VS, as that was fitted with a different engine management system from the factory. The GM Delco ECU was also fitted to a huge range of 80s and early 90s GM vehicles worldwide, including the C4 Corvette. To confirm compatibility with your Delco powered vehicle, you could compare your ECU pinout to that of the Nexus plugin, or contact your local Haltech representative for confirmation. So once you know the Nexus plugin suits your application, let's see what the kit comes with. A GM Delco plug-in ECU, a mounting bracket, an auxiliary harness that's 2.5 meters long. It's got the air temperature and wideband harness, an air temperature sensor with a 1/8 NPT thread and the mating DTM2 connector, an aluminium bung for the air temp sensor, a yellow USB-C cable to communicate with the ECU, 2.5 meters of silicon vacuum hose, and a metal T-piece so that you can join that vacuum hose into a vacuum on your engine. The Nexus plug-in ECU supports all factory functions available across the GM Delco range, including distributor-style ignition found on the V8 or the DFI, direct fire ignition, found on the V6 models, the ignition bypass functionality, batch-fired injection using a total of 2 injector outputs, each injector output driving 3 or 4 high impedance injectors depending if it's a V6 or a V8. The factory crank sensor, the factory 1-bar map sensor, throttle position sensor, coolant temperature, air temperature, and the 4Y idle stepper motor. Keep in mind the Nexus plugin also has an onboard 4-bar map sensor. So if you've decided to super or turbocharge your engine, you don't need to replace the factory map sensor. Simply run that supplied vacuum hose to the nipple on the side of the ECU and you are good to go, including closed loop electronic boost control if you need it. Now, if you've got a Haltech standalone engine management system, there is a good chance your engine is modified, but it doesn't have to be. Due to the age of the Delco units, you could be replacing a failing factory ECU, configuring and tuning parity into a factory racing series, or extracting the most out of your factory engine configuration. But when it comes to modifying, and notice I said when and not if, nothing makes it easier than the Nexus plugin. The first time the ECU is connected to the laptop, the startup wizard will appear in the NSP software, and we will simply need to select the options your car is fitted with. Choose which vehicle variant it is, what's connected to the auxiliary harness, which engine the car is fitted with, what injectors, and finally, what ignition system it uses. Once we know all this information, the ECU will generate a tune file and the thing will be ready to start and run. The only optional extra I'd recommend for any ECU installation is a wideband oxygen sensor. This allows the ECU to measure the actual air to fuel ratio coming out of the exhaust and in turn allow the use of closed loop auto tuning with long-term learning. This means the ECU looks at the actual air to fuel ratio, then compares against the target air to fuel ratio table and makes the required adjustments by itself. The longer you drive the car, the better it gets. And it doesn't just forget each time you turn the car off, it remembers for the next time. This is how the tune-up and the fuel economy gets better and better with each drive. But that's not all. The Nexus plugin also has 128 megs of looped onboard data logging. The logging allows up to 300 channels to take up to 1,000 samples per second. It's got Wi-Fi communications, so you can connect to a laptop wirelessly for tuning or data extraction, but more importantly, it's compatible with the Haltech Connect app, available on the App Store or the Play Store. This app allows you to make tuning changes and monitor important engine data like pressures and temperatures right off your phone. We also have a 4-pin CAN plug to support devices like the IC7 or the UC10- in true plug and play fashion. No wiring, just plug it in and your dash is up there, good to go. It's got multi-level engine protection, boost control and traction control, everything you've come to expect from the Haltech Nexus range. And then there's the auxiliary connector, the plug that makes expansion so easy. The 26-pin AMP connector found on the back of the unit uses the industry standard AMP 1mm super seal pins that are an absolute breeze to work with. The inputs and outputs on this connector include 4 digital outputs, 4 digital inputs, 4 analog inputs, and a dedicated wideband oxygen sensor input. It's also got a dedicated ground, 5-volt, and 12-volt supply, so you don't have to muck around finding power supplies in the factory harnessing. Like all Nexus plugins, any unused inputs and outputs on the factory loom can be reassigned to take advantage of the factory wiring, often making adding an extra sensor just that little bit easier. But if wiring's not your thing, that's okay too. We offer fully finished terminated auxiliary harnesses to suit installs that are looking to add things like wideband, oil pressure, or flex fuel sensors. So if you're looking for more reliability or an increase in engine power, now is the time to get on board and grab a Nexus plugin. Of course, if you've got any questions, please leave them in the comments or get in contact with your friendly Haltech representative. As always, thanks so much for watching. My name's Scott. Catch you next time.